And the reason why I say that is that they say there are a lot of celebrities that are real successful. They say they're so musically inclined, the artistry of it and everything else, which is why I'm asking, is that why you threw some shade at Iggy? You don't think she's really musically inclined or talented?
I didn't throw any shade at her. I wrote a monologue, just like Jay Leno would write, or Arsenio Hall, or anybody else would write a monologue. They don't have to explain to Dick Cheney later on what they meant by their monologue. It was just a monologue.
So did she call you?
No.
She never did call or anything?
No, absolutely not. I thought it was funny, and I'll do it again.
I know that's right.
Let's make this Christmas mean something this year.
Oh, okay. I don't know that one. Can you
Oh, let's hand claps.
Okay.
Make this Christmas mean something this year. Then he'd be talking in between it. Let's make Christmas mean something this year. Okay. You go to your little sack and you get your little present out, and your mama brought something home, and some of you don't get nothing, and all I got was socks and drawers, so I don't believe in Santa Claus. No, he talks in between.
I love it.
And we have that on repeat, and then we have the Charlie Brown one on. Christmas time is here.
That's a classic. That's the one you see on all the movies. I didn't think people played it in their house.
But for some reason, it make me cry though.
That is the whitest Christmas carol. It's almost sad.
Oh my God. I love it. All right. Well, you know what?
Favorite
the mixtape.
time of year. And I just be crying. And we listen to Donny Hathaway. Right.
Can we get a little bit of that?
Hang on the mistletoe. I'm gonna get to know you better. When? This Christmas. Right, not next Christmas. This.
I love it. Well, Erykah Badu, thank you so much for stopping by. Of course, that mixtape, everybody, it's out there, and it is called, you guys, but you can't use my phone.
That's right.
Okay?
That's
Can't
right.
use my phone. I love it. Y'all got to give it up for this
It's
lady.
that new frequency. It ain't R&B. It ain't trap.
love
It's
it.
trap and B. That's what it is.
Trap and B.
It's trap and B and the capital R and trap and the B is for Badu.
I know that's right. Y'all give it up for Erykah Badu.